As you can see, my old wind scoop, this thing that it is. It's a single direction scoop, which is okay if you're on anchor because obviously your boat turns. But when you're in a marina like I'm just now and there's no wind from one direction, or it all comes from one direction, then this is what happens. That's kind of old anyway, it was a first model I made. So I decided to make an omnidirectional wind scoop. First thing you had to do is find a bit of old sailcloth. Basically, this is just an old mainsail that we had lying around in the locker. Absolutely useless. So then we had to find a shape. So I wanted something that was a full opening of the front hatch, and you can only fasten at one point, so it's then shaped at the top so that it will catch the wind. Then we have to make a surround to go around the bottom and a way of supporting it. So that's the next steps. It goes smooth. I was going to start sewing up the wind chute in this old Zigzag. It's a very old machine. I've had it sitting on the boat now for 12 years, and the belt is just falling apart, so we're just going into Portimao to see if we can find a new belt. Guys, I kind of put this together last night and tried it overnight. It was kind of a success and also a failure. We did get quite a bit of wind come from it, but because of the shape that I made it, I would have to actually put battens between for to hold open in places. Also, it's a little bit too high, so a lot of the wind escapes. So that's going to pull it apart now and try and alter it a little, because I'm just going to make it a total triangular shape. Take this part away so that catches the wind better, and this doesn't actually stop the wind. You'll see what I mean when I get it down and inside. But yeah, it was actually a success because we did get quite a lot of wind, because the wind changed in about 4 different directions yesterday or last night, and we got breeze from all of it, so I was quite happy. But let's say room for improvement, so it's going to be model number 2 coming up. Guys, I finished my air scoop and it actually works very, very well. I took off the elephant ears and just cut it in a straight triangular shape and angled the bottom more so it went in to the hatch better. Today we have a little bit of wind coming from the north, sometimes northeast, sometimes the northwest, but as you can see, it just opens out wherever the wind comes and scoops the air in. It's working very, very well. If you would like plans or anything on what I've done with this, how I made it, well, obviously, you know, it was try and error, so I didn't really want to film everything, but you can actually see just how well it is working. Just drop me a comment or send me a personal message and I'll send you the plans for how I made it. And you know, if you like the video, please don't forget, leave a comment, share, like, and don't forget, best of all, subscribe. It costs nothing and it helps the channel. Thank you.